go for it.
Take the dive into university, just go all in and kind of soak up the experience while you're there.
I would say go for it. Like, I feel like it was really worth it. I'm really glad I did it.
100% go for it because it's the best thing that I ever did.
I loved every second.
I actually started with level 1 hair and beauty, and I've now built up all the way to master's degree with Leeds City College and UC Leeds. I have received the most amazing support from the tutors. Everyone's just been so incredible. I've gone from having 3 GCSEs to now being able to say that I've got a master's degree. Just trust yourself, believe in yourself, and just go for it. I am the first one in the family to get any degree, let alone a master's.
I was a bit worried originally with like how they would cope with my sort of special needs, but after kind of having that sit down discussion with everyone, it was all sorted and I kind of just flourished from there.
My biggest achievement is kind of overcoming the effects of the stroke, which was a major shock to the system. So overcoming that as part of, in a seminar situation, in those lecture situations was, major achievement.
I got a lot of support off of a lot of people, friends and tutors. Truth be told, I don't think I would have got through it if it wasn't for the support there.
I think I just was scared of fitting in with people. I found it quite hard to talk to people, but everyone was really welcoming and it's a good atmosphere, so it was good. I've just started a new job in the makeup industry, so I feel like that's helped from the course because they helped me boost my confidence.
This one just seemed more like of a practical-based course, which fit my learning style a lot better than the rest of them.
My biggest achievement has been, of course, my studies, but also becoming a student union officer as part of the Students' Union last year, which was a brilliant experience working with students, student voice.
It's been fun, it's been nice, making the new friends, pushing boat out, trying new things, definitely. The course on its own is really good, really enjoyable, but moving away as well and living here while doing the course has definitely made a big difference.
There are very few places that actually do the course of health play specialism, so Leeds seemed the best choice for us, and also it's partnered with the hospital that I work at. And so I work at Great Ormond Street and I was a play worker there, and we have a partnership, so it kind of was the next step for me to become a play specialist. The support was really good. We had our group of tutors. They were really lovely. They were always kind of accessible when we needed them. Yeah, it was a really good group to study with. I started when I was 25. I hadn't done a degree before, so I was really nervous about starting, but it was so worth it.